Alright, that's the lowest setting. Medium. High. And now it'll flicker. Blow and blow. It's fun. Medium. It's fun. High. Flickers.
Prende. Tiene para enchufe. Si quieres enchufar el teléfono. Tiene otro aquí. Tiene para conectar también aquí y acá. Me gusta. Me gusta, me gusta, me gusta.
This bedside light is real good for when you want to make it brighter, or even brighter, or even brighter. You can plug in your phone and charge it, as I'm doing now. And there are two plugs in the back. You could plug your alarm in there. And when you want to go to sleep, you just kind of reach over from your bed and turn it off.
I was actually surprised. This little light is actually pretty cute. It's got a plug for the cell phone. It's got two outlets for regular 2-prong plugs. 1, 2, 3, and touch it again and it's off. It works like it's supposed to.
I bought 2 of these in the box. Here's the other lamp. It was bent. And I wasn't happy with that. It might have been the Amazon driver. But the box was kind of bent right there. So I may have to take it back. I'll return it.
Oh, it's just fine. Perfect. Next one.
Take your business to the next level. Being myself is the boldest thing I can do. My own self. Free myself, the new master of refillable fragrance. Using at Macy's.
Love you.